Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Brittany here, and I have a cool 2-for-1 video for you today. Not only am I going to show you part 2 of what I created with my BEEBEECRAFT products, and again I will have the video posted of the unveiling of what I had received all in all, but I also have a giveaway that they're sponsoring as well. So for the giveaway, you'll have to be US, you have to be 18 plus or older, a subscriber to my channel, and all you have to do is just leave a comment down below in the description box of your favorite project that you have seen in either today's video or the previous part 1 video that I had did. And then they will choose 3 winners to receive one of 3 different products, and I'll announce the winner either Wednesday or Thursday, but I'm for sure gonna close the giveaway on Wednesday, but you have to comment on this video. So I'll reiterate that in a little moment here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I made, and here I used these 2 items here as well. I have a couple other projects that I did too. So remember, these were the little cute little hats here, and then these little bags. I had a whole bunch of them, but these are the bags that I had used, and this is what I created with those. Super adorable. I didn't do too much of the bags. I just added a little something to you know, put my own personal touch to them. So this one here, I did a little felt bow and then added a butterfly in the center, and then I added a little dangle piece at the top just to enclose the bag, just to show a different way of doing it as well. And then inside here I just did jumbo paper clips, and I'm sure you guys have seen this before, and I did a purple and blue and added some little resin flowers on the top there that I had got from AliExpress a long time ago. And then with this one here, I just added a little snowman in the front, and then I actually did this one a little bit differently and made it into like a charm. So I added a little resin bow in the center of the hat flap, and then I did some beads and a little snowflake and a snowman here as well. I think that turned out super cute. So that is what I did with the projects. And then also remember those tassels that I had created in the first video. Well, I added them on to something else, and I made these stinking cute, oh my god, I love these so much, these little lanterns. And so here is that blue tassel here, and if you missed out on that video, guys, I'll make sure I have that linked for you as well. And then I added some rolled flowers here, and added some little pearls in the center, and then a butterfly at the top as well. And then actually this one, wait, nope, not that one, and I made this one as well, and again with using that tassel that I had made, and it's cute. And this one I actually did using a recycled toilet paper roll, and I think that came out so stinking cute. And I added the little gold flowers as well that I had used. And then this one, I didn't have another available toilet paper roll, so I just actually made the little circular piece myself. So simple and easy, and I will have a tutorial coming out on this in probably the next day or 2. So these are so precious. I absolutely love them. I hope you guys do too. So as a reminder to the giveaway, you have to be 18 plus, you have to be in the US, and you have to be a subscriber to my channel. And also, I would just like for you to comment down below which were your favorite projects from either part 1 or part 2 that I did from this last BEEBEECRAFT projects here that I've done. And then again, I'm gonna close the commenting down by Wednesday, and then hopefully later on Wednesday or possibly Thursday we'll have the winners for you as well. So thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me, and again, it feels so good to be back, and I'll just see you in the next video. Bye.